Hello friends, I am CMA Akula Sridhar and this is Finance MCQ channel. Friends, in this channel we are trying to bring to you all the latest updates of government jobs in finance domain, be it a permanent, contractual, tenure-based, ad hoc, a single vacancy job or multiple vacancy. Basically, Finance MCQ channel brings to you a common platform where a commerce background person can find and apply for a job based on his qualifications. So let's begin. So friends, first a reminder for those who have still not applied for these 40 vacancies of Bharat Heavy Electricals Limited. Friends, hurry up as will be expiring on 26th April 2021. Friends, here the education qualification asked is a bachelor's degree in commerce with minimum 70% marks. Friends, the upper limit is 47 years, all are permanent posts and even freshers are also eligible to apply. Friends, the package would be 7.5 lakhs gross, and as I said, you have to apply online latest by 26th April 2020. Before we proceed to the next vacancy, an important piece of information for those who have applied for junior accountant vacancy or accounts officer vacancy recently published by Rajasthan Rajya Vidyut Nigam Limited and its group of companies. And friends, those who are looking for quality contents to practice the non-technical syllabus, please visit financemcq.in, where the entire technical syllabus, which covers 60% weightage of your marks, is brought to you in MCQ format for practice. Friends, here explanation is also added for correct answers wherever required for conceptual clarity. Friends, plus there is an email support for clarification of doubts raised by candidates while practicing these contents. Friends, let me tell you, the entire content of financemcq.in is prepared by professionals such as chartered accountant or cost and management accountant. And friends, if you visit financemcq.in and take demo, you will realize that the system is designed in such a way to give the candidate a real exam-like environment. So friends, do visit financemcq.in and practice for the exam well. All the best. Friends, next vacancy which is expiring this week was from Green Gas Limited, which is a joint venture between GAIL India Limited and Indian Oil Corporation. Friends, here the recruitment is for Officer Finance. Friends, they have not published the number of vacancies, but the education qualification asked was either a CA or CMA or MBA Finance with minimum 60% marks. Friends, the upper limit is 26 years, all a permanent post, and you don't need to have an experience to apply for this vacancy. Friends, the package would be 5.30 lakhs gross, and you have to apply online latest by 29th April 2021. And friends, moving to this week vacancy, the vacancy is from Goa Shipyard Limited for the recruitment of one post of Deputy Manager Internal Audit. Friends, the education qualification asked is graduation with CA, CMA or MBA Finance. Friends, the upper limit is 33 years, it's a permanent post and you need to have 4 years of experience to apply for this vacancy. Friends, your per month pay scale would range between the basic of 50,000 to 1,60,000. And friends, to apply for this vacancy, you have to apply online latest by 26th April 2021 and send a hard copy of your application along with the relevant enclosure to Goa Shipyard Limited latest by 6th May 2021. Friends, next vacancy again from the same organization, that is Goa Shipyard Limited, for the recruitment of one post of Deputy Manager Finance. Friends, here the qualification asked is graduation with CA or CMA or MBA Finance. Friends, here the upper limit is 36 years, again a permanent post, and you need to have 4 years of experience to apply for this vacancy. Friends, your per month pay scale would range between the basic of 50,000 to 1,60,000. Friends, the mode of application and last date is same as shown in the previous slide. Friends, next vacancy is from National Institute of Education, Planning and Administration, which is an institute set up by Ministry of Education, Government of India. Friends, here the recruitment is for Project Junior Consultant. Friends, the education qualification asked is MCOM or MBA Finance. Friends, the upper limit is 30 years. Friends, thus they have not mentioned the number of vacancy, but the place of posting would be New Delhi. Friends, here even a fresher is also eligible to apply. Friends, you will get a per month consultant amount between 30,000 to rupees 39,000 per month, and you have to apply online latest by 16th May 2021. Friends, next vacancy again from the same organization for the recruitment of clerk vacancy. Here the education qualification asked is 10+2, however preference will be given to a graduate. Friends, the upper limit is 27 years. Here again they have not mentioned the number of vacancy, but the place of posting would be New Delhi. Friends, again a contractual post for which even freshers are also eligible to apply. Friends, you will get a per month consultant amount of 17,000 per month. To apply for this vacancy, you have to apply online latest by 16th May 2021. Friends, next vacancy is from IM Kashipur for the recruitment of office assistant or accountant. Friends, here the qualification asked is either a BCom or MCom or equivalent bachelor's or master's degree. Friends, here again it's a contractual post and even freshers are also eligible to apply. Friends, the per month constant amount what you will get is 25,000 rupees. And to apply, you will have to apply online latest by 9th May 2021. Friends, next vacancy is from NBCC India Limited, which is a Government of India enterprise owned by Ministry of Housing and Urban Affairs, Government of India. Friends, here the recruitment is for one post of Additional General Manager Finance. Friends, the admission qualification asked is either a CA or CMA or MBA Finance. Friends, the upper limit is 48 years. It's a permanent post, but you need to have 12 years of experience to apply for this vacancy. Friends, your per month pay scale would range between the basic of 80,000 to rupees 2,20,000. Friends, you have to apply online latest by 30th April 2021. Friends, next vacancy is from Jawaharlal Nehru Aluminium Research Development and Design Center, which is an autonomous body under Ministry of Mines, Government of India. Friends, here the recruitment is for one post of Senior Purchase cum Store Assistant at Nagpur. Friends, the qualification asked is graduation, preferably in BCom. Friends, the limit is 28 years. It's a permanent post and you need to have 3 years of experience to apply for this vacancy. Friends, the package would be 6 lakh gross. You have to apply online latest by 10th May 2021. Friends, next vacancy again from the same organization for the recruitment of one post of Junior Assistant at Nagpur. Friends, here the qualification asked is graduation with a typing speed of 40 words per minute. Friends, the limit is 28 years. It's a permanent post and you don't need to have an experience to apply for this vacancy. Friends, the package would be 4 lakhs gross and you have to apply online latest by 10th May 2021. Friends, for all the vacancies shown in this video, the link is given in the description box. So those who are interested can directly click there and apply for their vacancies. Friends, next vacancy is from Kalakshetra Foundation for the recruitment of one post of Manager, Craft Education and Research Center. Friends, here the additional qualification asked is BCom with CA Inter or CMA Inter. Friends, the upper limit is 35 years. It's a permanent post, but you need to have 5 years of experience in either central government, state government, public department or a public sector undertaking. Friends, the package would be 6.85 lakhs gross. You have to apply online latest by 17 May 2021. Friends, next vacancy again from the same organization for the recruitment of one post of accountant at Chennai. Friends, the qualification asked is BCom. The upper limit is 35 years. It's a permanent post and again you need to have 4 years of experience to apply for this vacancy. When the package would be 6 lakhs gross, you have to apply online latest by 17th May 2021. Friends, next vacancy is from FCI Aravali Gypsum and Minerals India Limited, which is a public sector enterprise under Ministry of Chemicals and Fertilizers, Government of India. Friends, here the recruitment is for one vacancy of Consultant Chartered Accountant at Jodhpur. Friends, the qualification asked is a chartered accountancy degree. The upper limit is 50 years. It's a contractual post and you need to have 1 year of experience to apply for this vacancy. Friends, the per month consultant amount is 40,000 rupees and you have to apply online latest by 7th May 2021. Friends, next vacancy is from Sainik School Amethi for the recruitment of one post of lower division clerk. Friends, the qualification asked is 12th with a typing speed of 40 words per minute in English. Friends, however, desirable qualification is either a BCom or BA or BSc degree. Friends, here the upper limit is 50 years. It's again a permanent post and even freshers are also eligible to apply. And you will get a per annum package of 4 lakhs gross. Friends, to apply for this vacancy, you'll have to apply offline to the Sainik School latest by 8th May 2021. So that's all for this week, friends. Though there were not much vacancies this week, but as promised, we have tried to cover all latest vacancies that came up this week. So see you all next week. Till then, thank you very much for watching. Take care and goodbye.